Unfortunately, this video has been a long time in coming. About a year ago, I set out to start a brand new YouTube channel and go from 0 to 10K per month completely from scratch. And unfortunately, I failed. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how and why I failed, and hopefully you're able to take some lessons from my failure so that you can be successful online. So if you want to start a YouTube channel, if you're concerned or nervous about starting a channel, watch this video because I think this video can help you out. I think this video can be incredibly impactful. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so about 10 months ago, I uploaded a video saying I was going to take a brand new YouTube channel from 0 to 10K per month in about a year. It's been about 10 months since then, and I quite honestly have not made any money with this channel. Now, there's some internal reasons why I haven't made any money, some external reasons. You're going to learn all of that, or most of it. You're going to see the channel that I started. I actually did some good things with this channel, and I want you to use this as a motivating factor for you to start your channel, to see what works on a brand new channel, and we're going to get this thing back up and running. I've got some new ideas, and hopefully I can take this channel to 10K per month. So I stopped uploading on this channel about 7 months ago. And about that time, we had some family health issues, and I just no longer had the time to juggle both this channel, my blogs, my other YouTube channels, and this one, so it kind of fell by the wayside. And while my family health troubles got better, I just kind of lost that motivation to get back into the swing of things. And so 1 week turned into 2 weeks, and then I said, hey, I'll upload this. I'll upload a new video in about 3 or 4 weeks, and then eventually 4 weeks turned into 4 months, and then I just didn't upload. And so I understand when everybody says, hey, you know, it's hard to get going. It's hard to start a brand new channel, because that's what I ran into myself. I found it very difficult to kind of start from scratch and try and get the ball rolling. But again, some good things did come out of this channel, which I'm really excited about. But yeah, so back in, I would say, late December, early January, my family ran into some health issues, and I just completely stopped uploading. And I lost all the momentum that I had been building, and I lost the energy and motivation to keep going. That's why I say consistency and persistence is so important when starting an online business, because once you lose the consistency, it's very hard to be persistent. And once you lose that persistence, it's hard to be consistent. So I feel like those are the two biggest skills you have to learn when it comes to starting an online business. So let's go ahead, without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at this channel. The channel was called outdoorcookingman.com. I had a domain name for it. I have everything for it. This is my logo. And you can see, if we just sort this by popular, you can see some of these videos. Now, again, I only had 86 subscribers. I only have 86 subscribers. I have 113 videos, but a lot of those videos are YouTube shorts, which we'll show you in just a moment. But this video, 4,000 views. So when I tell you guys to do review type videos to get leads, this is a 4,000 viewed video, and I only had 86 subscribers. The video after that, 1.3 thousand views from 8 months ago on a channel that has less than 100 subscribers. So again, this should illustrate to you, hopefully this illustrates to you that a small channel can get views and turn those views into money. And so I urge you, if you want, go ahead and take a look at some of these videos. In my opinion, the view to subscriber ratio on this channel for some of these videos is really good. Now, obviously, some of these videos did not do well at all. Some of them got 14 views, 15 views. But if you look at this, a brand new channel, 86 subscribers, lots of views to be had, and I can turn that into money. I'm sure you're wondering, how can I turn a cooking channel into money? I'm glad you asked. Now, if I was an affiliate for Lowe's, I would put my affiliate link for this product for Lowe's in the description, and maybe 10% of those people would buy, 10% of the people would click on my affiliate link. Ultimately, up to 5% will buy. So that's money into my pocket. I planned on giving away the recipes to all of the cooks that I did on this channel. And so I would collect their name and their email. I'm going to simply follow up with email marketing. And a portion of those people would buy whatever I recommend. Maybe I recommend different cooking utensils. I can recommend, kind of meme style items and gifts and stuff like that. Everything related to cooking. I find a cookbook for a Blackstone grill. I can promote that and earn a commission. Oh, by the way, I could also sell maybe digital products. I can sell a course or a membership on different things that I find. But the thing that's exciting to me is that a channel that had 86 subscribers, and honestly, this is the first time that I'm logging in and looking at this, a channel that only had 86 subscribers, 4,000 views. Okay, if we look at my YouTube shorts, a lot of the videos that I have on here are YouTube shorts. Some of these YouTube shorts did extremely well, 2.7 thousand views on a time-lapse pork shoulder. So if we click on this and we watch this video, I think I just grabbed some stock audio from somewhere. This is just a time-lapse video of me cooking pork shoulder, and it got a bunch of likes and it got a comment. But this is something you can do. This is something that I feel like anybody can do if you are consistent with it. Again, the reason why I failed with this is I simply wasn't consistent. You can see with these YouTube shorts, 2.7, 2.3, 2.1, 2,000, 2,000, 1.8. The views can be had on a brand new channel, on a tiny channel, if you are consistent and persistent, and that's where I lacked with this channel. And so my plan is very simple. I'm going to go back to uploading. Obviously, I'm not going to make 10K per month within the first year, but I really do enjoy cooking, and I enjoy making these cooking videos. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to uploading. I'm going to upload 3 times per week. That's the plan. Maybe upload 2 times per week. That's the plan. And then once I'm consistent and persistent, I can scale it from there. But nobody is immune to running into challenges. It's really how you overcome those challenges which will determine and dictate your success. But I think that hopefully you're able to see that everybody runs into challenges. It's really how you address those challenges. If you can overcome them, if you can be consistent and persistent, you can be successful online. Now, while this channel did not make 10K per month, I consider this channel somewhat a success. Okay, 4,000 views for 86 subscribers is an insane number in my opinion, and that video is 8 months old. Now what I can do to capitalize on it is I'm going to use the same keywords, and I'm going to implement those keywords on my other video. So where it says Blackstone Culinary 4-burner liquid propane flat top grill, 1932 6-month review, I might do smash burger review, where I cook smash burgers and I show you the end result. Now let me show you how I did that. And again, this is something that I communicate to you guys all the time. I copied the name of the product, and I got the name of the product directly from the seller's website. So if we go over to Lowe's, this is where I bought the product. This is the exact name of the product. And what people are doing is they simply copy the name of the product and they paste it into YouTube, because they want to know, they want to learn more about the product. So if we come back here, you can see that's exactly what I did. We paste that in, and again, you can see people are doing this all day, all night, and that's exactly what I did to get 4,000 views. Now the crazy thing is I'm not even ranked here in the top. Oh, there I am. I'm not even ranked here in the top 5 or 6 of the YouTube algorithm. What I tried to go for these types of videos was showing up in the next up, showing up in suggested, and that was the opportunity that I had. But I think anybody can do this. If we scroll down, we look at the unboxing that got 106 views, and I did the same thing once again. I used the exact title of the product word for word, and then people are searching it word for word. So that's a little bit of a bonus tip, is you can use the name of the product right in the title of your YouTube video, because people are going from the place that they want to buy it and they're pasting it right in. Now this isn't, but anybody can do this, and you don't have to use an expensive product like this this grill. You can use products that you have lying around your house. You can use a product that you recently purchased. Go over to Amazon, Best Buy, Walmart, Target, wherever you purchase your products, and you can do the same thing over and over again. But I failed. with this, and I think not a lot of people talk about their failures, but this is an opportunity to kind of relaunch this, to show you that not everything works exactly how it's planned, and I failed just like everybody else, but it's how you get up from that failure. So go ahead, check out that channel if you want. Follow. I'm not encouraging guys. I'm not forcing you guys to follow if you don't want to, but look at that channel. It only has 86 subscribers, but lots of views on some of those videos. So if you want to follow the journey, watch this video next, because YouTube says it will help you grow your online business.